you going to Barangay Hall? What are you going to do there?
To get my barangay clearance.
Yeah. There's water all over.
I think it's open.
Huh?
It's open.
I don't know. You have to go and check. I try to turn around the car. Well, we are in Barangay and Bim is waiting for her barangay clearance she need in the bank so she can get her checkbook. We have empty checks. Sometimes we use checks for our house rent, so it's quite okay to have. Actually, yesterday it was raining a lot. It was like heavy wind and rain, and we just received the news that in the beach side it's so high tide, so they have to evacuate their homes because the tide is going inside their house. Terrible situation, but Philippines, it's a country that always be hit of the act of nature. Typhoons, earthquakes, volcanoes, and all that thing. So the people there, they learn to live with it. For a foreigner, it's quite new to us. So we actually don't really understand it when when the shit hit the fan. I mean, I never. Well, I seen it sometime in Thailand in the summer storm. That actually car was coming flying through the air and rolling on the street. It's this summer tornadoes that is coming. I never. I seen some pretty heavy storm here when we lived in Antique. It's actually 2 coconut palms that break and barely hit our house. They took out all the terrace. I'm going to put some picture of it here, if I can find them, so you can see. Well, as you see, they're not scared about transporting. They going through things far worse than that. So they're looking. Not every day they see a foreigner in here. I am the only foreigner that live in this area. Well, actually, that's not true. It's an Italian, but I haven't seen him for ages. I don't know if he still live here or not. Well, it's probably going to take ages. Well, 20 minutes and I'm still sitting here. Wow, it's so funny. I need to turn down the music. If not, YouTube will block the video. Well, I have to drive the car these days because it's not very pleasant weather to drive my bike. So that will come when it's clear up and the sun is shining. As it's snow on the roads and rain, better to have a roof, dry and air conditioned. So, oh my God, can you believe that? She is finished. Amazing. Did you get it sealed? So then we go to Robinson then. Wow, that's good. They want it sealed. That's why we actually had to go here to get it sealed. How did they seal it? In an envelope or?
No, it's only the OR, but this is the sealed.
That is the sealed. And you need. Okay, are you ready?
About the vaccine.
Oh yeah, what did they say about the vaccine?
She said going to register first in Festive Walk.
Okay.
And then after that, we need to come here when they have available slot.
Okay.
But she said she's going to ask Brgy captain because she said she's going to ask some advice about us because we are going to travel.
Okay, very good, very good. Oh, look at her. Hello, Fatty.
What is
Dinner. It's a dinner. Dinner eating grill. Food. Baboy. Baboy. Pig.
Cat?
Yeah. Are you filming?
Yeah.
Okay, be careful. It's so many kids. They're not used to cars inside here. So it's so many children. The fucking dog. This. I don't know why they put this barangay inside here. Why they don't find. Why they don't. I mean, the barangay hall is put them nearly. You can't access it, you know. And like we met that tricycle, it's impossible to have any spots to turn or pass each other, so you have to reverse all the way back. So get out there. Late now. Something was really wrong with him. I don't know what.
Well, he stopped in the middle.
Yeah, he was drunk, clearly drunk. Why didn't you film?
He didn't remember.
That's typical you. You forget everything. Forget everything. Yes. You think we can park in
I think so.
in the Robinson spot?
Yeah.
I don't know. Oh, there's our friend traffic enforcer.
Yeah, that was it.
Yeah, Abby was quite lucky in a way there anyway. Oh shit, nearly get a motorbike in our ass now. You know, they don't have distance. It's really dangerous to brake hard here because then somebody hit you because you can be sure they don't expect it. 2 times on a motorbike. No, only one time I get hit.
Yeah.
With that tricycle and a couple of other times. It's really close. Why did I go over here? That was stupid.
Because you are stupid.
Look how they just stop in the middle of the road and blocking one line. Like, don't care about all the people. Give a shit.
Like this one.
Yeah, they just don't know how to drive. They don't know the rules. They never take any practice or theory test or driving test. So they're just they're driving on feelings. It's very difficult for other people that try to drive normal and follow the rules, you know. Let's see if we can. Yeah, you talk. Oh, yeah.
Where are we going?
Yeah, but fuck, we can't stop here now. Yeah, never mind, we can go around. Why did stop here?
Why did you put the motorbike there?
I don't know. Going to scan the QR, you have it?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Hello.
Good afternoon. Oh, shit, so close to the door. Yeah, you was not allowed to film inside.
Then we film outside.
We're filming outside. We are going here. Robinson Bank. Yeah, it's closed. And Bim, she wonder, what are we going to do about it? I suggest you can break into the bank then. Huh? Yeah. Then you have a reason to. Then you have a reason to filming a little bit without permission. They don't want me to film in here. Why you think so? Huh? Yeah. SNR. Oh, long time since we ordered SNR now. Yeah. So we have to go to festival and buy chicken then. Yeah, yeah.
This place is my favorite anyway, so no problem.
It's okay there.
Oh, first time in the history that.
What happened there?
Accident?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Nah, that's been a very small accident.
Driving license.
Well, yeah. We're here again. It's okay? Good. Thank you. Yeah, chicken. It start get boring of this place.